Hello, everyone there from Google. I'm trying to show you why I'm using this sensitive scopes. So I'm trying to use Google Fit APIs for just reading data. So I'm trying to read how much steps have made my users for today and what location have they changed for today. So I'm going to try to show you my code first. So that's the Google service trace that I became your uh, uh, Firebase. Yeah, so this is the login. I'm trying there's the login. So there is all the data I'm using to catch view. So let's begin from the top. Basically, there's nothing from my code. That's all just copy and paste from Stack Overflow. Basically, it's like approached several times, just copying it from the site. And if you ask me, if anyone is going uh, to watch this video at all, and if you try, and if you ask me for what like this code, I really don't know how to explain it to you because uh, it's not my code. I just copied it, and I really don't know what this like this one. There's my API key or my client ID. I don't know, and I don't know how am I fetching the data. So basically, it's nothing so special. I'm not trying to steal anyone's um, data or something. So, or I'm not trying to write some data new. I'm just trying to read data from sensors from the phone. So not for basically from their um, profiles, just from the sensors. That's all the code. Yeah, I'm going to show you the other sites, components, get location. Okay, asking for permission for the user's location. Monitor this, just empty. This one, I tried to implement something, but this doesn't work. So I made a run function, basically the same from this, just a function, not a class code. Uh, for this, I don't need your API. This just uh, the phone's location. I'm not using any scopes for this config. This is writing data in my Firebase. Okay, yeah, JUnit navigator screen dashboard is empty. Loading screen empty. It's just asking if there any user logged in my Firebase. So that's me. That's my email. Probably no one is going to use ever this application. That's just for my project. Here's the loading screen. Sorry, login screen. Yeah, I showed you just this code. That's where I'm using, where I'm trying to use your scopes, Google API. Um, and yeah, that's it. I don't know what it is. Yeah, an index app.js requesting for location. Yeah, and I'm trying to like hold 2 days to get access to the Google Fit API. So please just let me do my project. I promise I won't use the information you give me for any wrong.